Hey everyone, it's Armen from ArmensCraftRoom, and I just picked up a bag of mystery product from the Ink Blot Shop, and I thought I'd give them a try. It's a great way to sample a new store, or if you're beginning crafting, a great way to try, getting a good amount of product for a great price. And if you are a seasoned crafter, it's a great way to try things that you might not otherwise pick out yourself. So let's see what's in here. All right. So they said this is $75 value. Oh, these are really cute. This would be great for like scrapbooks and journaling. Even the inside of cards, that would be cute. All right, great background plaid here. Looks like some holly berries. Oh, this is a fun font. Let's see, love you, thanks, yay, hugs, couple things, couple hellos for you, congrats, and several yays and a miss you. And some fun little shapes here. Alright, so we've got 2 background stamps, a large stamp set, and a small stamp set. And this looks like envelopes. Sampler. Alright, so we've got a vinyl sticker and a couple envelopes. I don't know that I would use these as envelopes. I might cut them up and use them as paper just because in order to mail this you'd have to have white address labels on them or like a Sharpie. But they are nice weight and pretty colors. Anyways, there we have it. This is the 2026 Ink Blot Shop mystery packs that were sold around Memorial Day. Hope you guys come back soon. Have a great day.